Hi guys, can you speak formal Japanese and informal Japanese? Check it out. If you keep watching, you can speak out formal way and informal way. Subscribe me. Are you ready? I'll give you quiz. Say how are you in Japanese in formal way and informal way. Say how are you? お元気ですか？お元気ですか？ What is informal? お is prefix for 元気 Take it off. This must put words noun and adjective Take it off. And ka is question marker Take it off. Let's see informal way. Check next page. This is informal way. How are you in Japanese? 元気？元気？ Raise your pronunciation up in the end. 元気？ Say 元気？ How do you respond? How are you in Japanese? Think. Check next page. Please respond after how are you? 元気ですか？はい、元気です。はい、元気です。ありがとうございます。元気です。Don't put o, which is prefix for yourself. はい、元気です。ありがとうございます。It's very natural. This is informal response. 元気？元気だよ。元気？元気だよ。is casual, informal, yes in Japanese. 元気だよ。だ is informal of des. And then yo is one of particle, which means I'm telling you, as you know, with the confidence. 元気？元気だよ。Try. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.